Step into the world of collectors' dreams and performance excellence as we invite you to become a part of our passionate community, assembled to celebrate the thrilling 1970 Chevy Chevelle Restomod, an iconic classic that seamlessly blends timeless design with modern-day performance enhancements. Renowned for its bold lines and breathtaking power, the Chevelle has been a fixture in automotive history. As the years have passed, this muscle car's legacy has grown stronger through tasteful modifications, with many enthusiasts opting for the Restomod treatment to fuse nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. Originally equipped with a monstrous V8 engine, the 1970 Chevelle set the stage for what would become an American muscle car revolution. Through the successive years, later models have witnessed intricate changes, including improved suspension, modernized chassis, and performance upgrades that cater to the evolving needs of collectors and drivers alike. These updates don't just enhance the car's capabilities, they've transformed the Chevelle into a truly refined driving experience for today's demanding automotive enthusiasts. Inside, the Restomod Chevelle has been reimagined, offering luxurious seating combined with cutting-edge technology and comforts that cater to both practicality and style. Custom touches, leather accents, and innovative instrument clusters have breathed new life into the interior, while respecting the car's original essence. Outside, the Restomod Chevelle maintains the iconic muscle car stance with sleek curves, revised bodywork, and stunning paint options which range from subtle classics to bold, one-of-a-kind finishes. The Restomod trend has become an art form, preserving the car's heritage, while ensuring the vehicle remains roadworthy and performance-oriented. For those seeking to acquire this automotive masterpiece, the latest price for a fully restored or restomodded 70 Chevy Chevelle has been reaching upwards of approximately $8,000 for top-tier examples, a reflection of its desirability and continued relevance in the collector car market. Whether you seek to relive the past or create your own version of the 70 Chevelle, the Restomod route offers a wealth of opportunities to make this muscle car your own while ensuring it remains a force to be reckoned with. As we venture toward future innovations and further restorations, the 1970 Chevelle will undeniably maintain an indelible place in the history of American automobiles, inviting new generations to join the ranks of its devoted followers. Don't miss out on the continued evolution of automotive culture. Join us as we celebrate the 1970 Chevy Chevelle Restomod and everything it represents. A symbol of both classic raw power and modern refinement that never goes out of style.